Hello everyone, welcome to a new video on the income tax e-filing. Today we are going to see how we can validate or revalidate a bank account in the e-filing portal and nominate a bank account for the tax refund. Why do you do this video now? There is a specific reason for that. Last week I received an email from the income tax email ID. It started with a subject line called you validate and nominate the bank account on e-filing portal for refund. So the body of the email will catch your attention pretty fast because it mentions clearly that a validated bank account is necessary for the receipt of refunds. So what does it mean? You might have already given your bank account details for the refund when you are filing the tax returns. But if this is not captured in the e-filing portal properly and it does not have a validated bank account in the e-filing portal, the chances are high that you have not received the tax refund. Okay, so now let us have a look at how do you validate the bank account in the income tax website. In order to do that, you need to first log in to the e-filing portal. So the portal is www.incometax.gov.in. Once you log into this portal, on the right hand side top corner, you will find a person icon and there is a drop down associated with that. So once you click on the drop down, you will find a menu and click on My Profile. Then you can see that on the left hand side, you will find multiple um, actions appear for you to select and click on the My Account line and it will take you bank account pages. Okay, so in this page, you can find there are two bank accounts maintained. Okay, so there is so the first line will show you the bank account number, then the bank name, and then the branch of the bank which you have maintained. Okay, and then it will clearly specify whether it's already validated or not. Okay, and then whether this bank account is eligible for refund. And there is a toggle button where you can nominate the bank account for refund. So here you have two bank account. You can see two bank accounts has been maintained. Okay, so there are multiple tabs on the My Bank Accounts page. You will find what are the different bank accounts you have added and what are the failed bank accounts. Okay, and yeah, so this is a normal case. So now let us have another bank account where you need to revalidate. Okay, so if any of the bank account is not eligible for a refund, those will appear in the failed bank account section. Okay, so even though this bank account is in the added bank account section, you will find that this account needs to be revalidated. Okay, so there could be multiple reasons for that. So you might remember that there are multiple bank consolidations happening. So different state banks got merged with State Bank of India, and some other banks also got merged. Public sector banks got merged. Okay, so because of various reasons, the account numbers could be changed, or the IFSC code could be changed. So because of these multiple reasons, the bank accounts could be invalidated. So once the bank account is invalidated, you need to revalidate that. Okay, so in order to do revalidate the account, you need to click on the three dots here, and then different options will the menu bar will appear, and different options you will find. Okay, so then you can click on the revalidate. So if you have a bank account which is recently added, so then you will get an option called as validate. So this revalidate or validate will do the same purpose. So once you click on the revalidate or the validate um, option or the action, you will get to a page where the different details for the bank need to be entered. Okay, so you can give the bank account number. So then what is the type of the account, whether this is a joint account or single account, then the IFSC code, and one of the main field is whether you want to nominate the bank for the refund or not. Okay, so these are mandatory fields. So you can click on this yes or no icon. So here I have selected yes, okay, and click on the validate button. I click on the validate button. Yeah, you are done. Okay, and since I have already selected as account for nominated the account for refund, so this will show as selected. Okay, so then everything is done for me. Okay, so this is how you validate your bank account for refund. So make sure that you have nominated at least one bank account for refund. Okay. Yeah, so this is a snippet from the email which I received from the income tax department. So this clearly gives what are the steps you need to take um, to validate or revalidate the bank account. Okay. Hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you.